Maintaining high-level consistency across characters, environments, props and vehicles requires one thing: structured asset sheets. I made a custom Claude Skill to build these assets automatically for Seedance 2.0, and I'm giving you this Claude Skill for free in this video, plus the document containing master templates for those who want to do it manually. Let's open Claude and see exactly how it works. First, we're starting off in Claude. I'm going to use my custom Claude Skill that I created. I'll show you how to create consistent asset sheets inside Claude without needing any templates or prompts. This skill handles the entire sheet image generation process for you. The first thing to do is upload the images you want to turn into sheets. For this project, it will be a pilot, a helipad as an environment, and a helicopter as a vehicle. Once those are uploaded, go into the plus menu, click on the skills, and select the concept sheet builder. I don't even need to type any specific instructions here, or you can if you want, but I'll just press send. Claude will analyze these three pictures using the instructions built into the concept sheet builder skill. It will then produce three separate sheets based entirely on these three images. As you can see, it created our sheets using templates. The first template is the vehicle template, the second one is the environment template. Inside the Claude skill, there is an interior environment option as well, but we will use exterior for this example. So the third template is a character template. To use these three, copy the character template, open ChatGPT and click to create an image. Select an aspect ratio of 16:9 and paste the prompt. The most important part is to attach your reference image of the pilot. Once the image is attached, send the prompt. Now go back into Claude, select an exterior environment prompt and copy it. Return to GPT image 2, click to create an image and select your aspect ratio again. Upload your helipad image, paste the prompt and send it. For the third asset, which will be the vehicle, copy the whole vehicle prompt, go into ChatGPT, click create an image and select your aspect ratio. Upload your helicopter image, paste the prompt and send it. Now we have all three generation processing running. So now let's look at our first result. Our pilot is generated. As you can see, the design is highly consistent. Next, we have the helipad. It gives us a choice between two versions. They're pretty similar, but the line on the left one is white and yellow. I like the consistency of the yellow line being the same from all the sides, so choose the right side. The third thing is the vehicle, which is a helicopter. As you can see, that is also a very good generation. That is how you generate assets using the Claude skill with the first method. I'll show you the second method. Just one more note before we continue. The Claude skill is linked in the description below. I also have linked the document containing the templates for those who prefer to build these sheets manually. Also, using random Claude skills from the internet is not safe if you do not know the source. If they're built maliciously, these files can execute commands or steal your data, so please be cautious of that. Let me quickly show you how you can actually upload my custom skill and how to use it. Click Customize and go to Skills. Click the plus icon to add a skill and then select Create a skill. From there, choose the option to upload a skill, and after you click that, select the downloaded skill file from your computer. As you can see, you can also drag and drop the file directly into the window. After the file is selected, the skill will be uploaded. And now back to the video. If you don't have a generated image or you just want to brainstorm ideas, you can prompt directly inside Claude. For example, I typed a prompt, generate an ice cream truck, an ice cream seller, and an environment that is the side of the road next to a cinema in the daylight. Go to the plus menu, select the skill, and press send. Claude will automatically detect which asset is this. It will create three separate prompts without needing any reference images. We can directly use these three prompts inside ChatGPT to craft images. So, copy the first prompt for the vehicle, start a new chat in ChatGPT, and click to create an image. Select an aspect ratio of 16:9, paste the prompt and send it. Now we have the vehicle generating. Go down the list and repeat this exact process for the character and the environment prompts. This works great if you want to test what works and what doesn't work for specific characters and environments. As you can see, these are the three generated results using the second method. Now we can move over to the Seedance 2.0. I will show you how this workflow actually looks inside the video generator. We're inside Germina using Seedance 2.0 model. I have a video prompt that I generated using Claude. When setting up this prompt, I want to specifically tag elements like the fisherman and the boat. The next step is to upload your reference images. I uploaded 4 different images of a fisherman, a boat, a lake, and a fishing rod. Once images are uploaded, go down your text prompt. You want to tag all the characters, vehicles, and environments directly in the prompt, as well as the prop. Tag at boat for the vehicle, at rod for the prop, at lake for the environment, and tag at fisherman for the character. Go completely down the prompt and tag everything. This is how you move from Claude skill to concept sheet quickly. It is very consistent and makes tracking your assets much simpler than using at image 1, at image 2, and so on. If you want to see more AI video workflows, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.